Hey guys, welcome back to Pretty Little Things by Yashu. What I'm going to make today is one of the easiest quick fixes in an Indian kitchen. Much underrated but equally delicious, and this is dill leaves pulao. So, here is a list of ingredients: dill leaves, ginger garlic paste half tablespoon, onion 1 roughly chopped, green chilies 5 to 6, peas 1 small packet, Palau masala, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, cloves, black cardamom, oil, rice, salt to taste, ghee, 1 tablespoon. I am using my homegrown dill leaves for making this palau. Doesn't this sound great? Growing your own garden can offer the opportunity to reduce the amount of pesticides that you are used commercially. Growing your own food is not rocket science, so start your garden today. Now let's see how to do this. I'm going to start with heating 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot, I'm going to add the whole spices. So after adding this, add half tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic paste and just cook these spices till they turn slightly brown. Next, I'm going to add finally the chopped onions. Just fry these onions for a minute. Now, add some green chilies to this. Next, you have to add a 1 cup of green peas to this. So, you have to add only 1 cup of green peas and mix it with a low flame. Now, we will cook for them for 5 minutes and add the chopped dill leaves to it. Actually, you have to chop these dill leaves and you have to add this. I am going to cook it at least for 10 minutes to get the aromatic spices have filled this space with a beautiful smell. Add some salt. I have taken 3/4 glass of rice, so I will be adding 1 and quarter glass of water to it. Now add rice to it and also add the tablespoon of ghee to this. And now close the lid and cook for 2 whistles. Now this rice is ready to plate. Guys, this can be eaten for lunch or dinner and you are good to go. So do give this a try and don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.